Canva is a free-to-use online graphic design tool. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take advantage of 10 new AI tools that Canva just released. Let's get right into it. So gift number 1, Magic Design is here. Struggling to visualize your ideal design? Find the perfect template with Magic Design. You'll be able to simply upload an image, select a style, and watch it come to life. So you can see here kind of in their demonstration, you upload the image, you choose kind of from their templates, and then bam, you can download it directly from there. So you can kind of create, and here it's showing what, maybe a book title this looks like, or a magazine cover. Really, you can choose from a bunch of different things, including fonts, images, graphics, styles, to turn your imagination into the perfect design, from billboards to birthday cards every single time. So Magic Design is going to be an awesome tool if you're not looking to really get in there and customly edit each little part of your design. You can just go ahead and upload an image of yourself and get all these awesome templates that you can use. And then from there, you can also take the template and edit it yourself. Moving on to gift number 2, draw your ideas. Following many requests from our community, we're excited to release a new way to draw across any type of design. So this doesn't seem too awesome. It's more of just like a whiteboard, kind of like Notion almost, kind of sketch your ideas. But what's going to make it really powerful is in the future, they're going to have a match option to match your sketches to options in their element library, which will help turn the scribbles into polished illustrations in a flash. So that's going to be really exciting because you'll be able to draw, let's say, maybe a basketball, and they'll be able to show you what elements they already have in their files that you can go ahead and just drag and drop onto your design rather than having to search for it manually. So that's just something that's kind of cool for planning and if you're someone who's into drawing. Gift number 3, translate designs in a click. Once you've created your designs, you need to share them with the world. With our new translate feature, it's easier than ever to communicate across borders and speak your audience's language. So if it's in English, then you can translate it to Portuguese or any other language that you really want. This is going to be fantastic for global brands that really need to make logos or different graphic designs that have words on them. Then you can bam, click one thing instead of having to redo it manually yourself. Gift number 4, Magic Eraser and Magic Edit. So before, they already had a Magic Eraser and Magic Edit, but with the Magic Edit, what you can do here is you see that you highlight this teapot here, and then you tell them what you want to replace it with. So in this, they say a bunch of purple flowers, and bam, it actually goes ahead and replaces it with purple flowers. So this is going to be awesome for editing images and maybe even adding items to your image. It's really, really cool, and I'm excited to try this out myself. Gift number 5, Beatsync keeps you right on time. Another one that I'm really excited for. I know I'm saying about every single one, but I'm literally going to be using these on a day-to-day basis. So Beatsync is something that is going to be really, really cool because with presentations and video presentations, you want to sync the different frames with the beat drops. So what they do here is when you click a button, it syncs it automatically from when the slides change to the beat drop. That's really, really awesome and could save people tons of times of people manually editing and trying to get a frame on a certain slide for where the beat drops. I know I've struggled with this a ton with editing and video editing software, so I'm really excited to see how well this works with the music tracks and different presentations. Moving on to gift number 6, magically generate a presentation. So this, instead of just dragging and dropping an image, you tell it what you want, home decorations to Dazzle, and it'll give you a whole template with actually content in it as well. So it's not just a template, there's content in it as well. And then you can kind of go ahead and add your details and personal touches. So once again, this is really going to speed up the design process and something I'm going to try out myself as well. So more magic in Magic Write. This is going to be really great for businesses, I think, and for, like it said, SEO blog posts. You can tell it that, hey, in this case, I want to list social media strategy ideas for a new product launch. It's almost like a chatbot within Canva, and bam, it gives you 3 awesome ideas to put into your slides there. So Magic Write's also available in 18 languages, which is awesome. So gift number 8, we've evolved text to image. So with the launch of text to image last year, working with images in Canva became more magical than ever before. You had a visual idea in your head, you couldn't find an image representing it. Text to image lets you create a unique image from a simple description in a matter of seconds. Our community has already imagined more than 60 million images in the past 4 months, And today we're excited to introduce much higher quality outputs. So they already had this option before, but now they've increased the resolution by 16 times while reducing the generation speed about 70%. So you're going to be able to generate these images a lot faster, and they're going to be a lot more high quality. This is something that text to image is really the best platform, as we know, is Midjourney. So I don't think I'll be using this a ton, because to compare it to Midjourney, I doubt that it's going to output better, higher quality, more detailed images. But once again, there's something to be said that it's within canva.com, and you never have to leave, and you can do it all within one. So I'm definitely going to try that out as well. Gift number 9, create an animation and bring your story to life. So you can see here, you can create an animation with this basketball, you can smooth it out, and it's just going to be cool if you guys need to make animations within your presentations. You can kind of do custom ones. And once again, it doesn't have to be in videos, it can be in designs and presentations as well. Then finally, they're talking about becoming the home for every brand. So once again, another one I'm very, very excited about, and that businesses are going to be really, really taking advantage of, and this is going to save a ton of time. So now they have a new set of capabilities within their brand hub to supercharge the impact of marketing and create teams like never before. So gift number 10, welcome to Brand Hub. Canva's new Brand Hub brings every ingredients teams need to create on-brand designs like Canva's editing experience. Your brand templates, brand guidelines, fonts, graphics, logos, projects, and more will be available in one place so you can quickly create on-brand designs. So basically, you can have brand templates in there. You can see there's different logos that they have in there that you can easily just drag and drop. So that's going to be nice. Different colors, your company colors and graphics that you use. So with the updated brand kit, you have new ingredients, assets, controls, and workflows to help maintain consistency as your content grows. So everything your teams or clients need to stay on brand is in one beautifully organized space. Once again, you have all the photos, graphics, icons, colors, and logos all right there. Just drag and drop. And brand guidelines are your new co-pilot. So you'll be able to add brand guidelines so teams instantly understand how to use and how not to use all brand assets. So basically, when you go ahead and click on the logo, you can have a whole blurb here about how it should stand out, it should pop on the color behind it, and kind of the meaning behind it and where to use it. That way you'll have a rule book for all your graphic designers, and you won't be having to kind of teach everyone what they need to do. Collaborate seamlessly with projects. Obviously, brand folders are going to be there, so you can collaborate with multiple people. Creators can now set brand controls as well to manage what your team can see and can't see. You can kind of set your brand's fonts, colors, templates, assets. This is going to make making business content extremely, extremely easy and much, much faster. And you're going to stay on brand exactly like it's saying here. Say goodbye to outdated assets. You have the option of starting fresh within Canva or importing existing files. So you have either option. Canva's new template assistant checks the quality of your template's design and highlights potential issues. So this is really cool. So here you can see template assistant, 3 issues found: increased text contrast, align font with brand kit. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and align the color with brand kit, and bam, now it's more on brand instantly. From small tweaks to major rebrands, our new magical asset replacing feature makes the process of updating all your creative assets simple, fast, and fun. Now with one click, you can update the component of your brand identity and replace the old with new across all of your existing and new designs. Special bonus gifts is a highly requested features. There's now layers. You can rearrange elements and make changes without affecting other parts of your design, layout guides, gradients, position panels, alt text, and new fonts. So thank you for designing with Canva. From speeding up the design process to supercharging the way brands and professional designers unlock the power of visual communication, the gifts we unbox on stage at our second Canva Create marks an exciting step forward on our journey to truly empower everyone to design anything. Canva did an awesome job unboxing these 10 new AI tools, and I'm really excited to see what new graphic design tools are going to be created within the AI industry. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks.